Class, we are ready to put our words in our notebook. We are going to start all the way in the back on page 76 and 77. Go ahead and find 76 and 77. Pause the video till you're there. All right, so these are the ways we can spell what sound in English, class? Good, these are our A's that we have on these two pages. All right, we had two A words today, and we used two different A's. Sometimes it's the same one. We had two different ones this time. All right, so let's start with train. See if you can remember, which A did we use in train? All right, it is a two-letter A. Oh, I shouldn't have pointed to it. I should have had you find it after I said it. It's a two-letter A that we do not use at the end of English words. Find it. All right, your next free line in that column, go ahead and write train. Say the sounds while you write them, and then see if you can mark it. All right, pause the video if you're not finished yet. A. All right, if yours looks like mine, nice job. If not, we just know we need to practice it a little bit more. All right, our next word is plane. Now remember, we use a different A in plane. Which A do we use in plane? Remember, like short for airplane. All right, it was A-A-A with a silent final E, job one. So go ahead and find that column. Here it is, first free line. Go ahead and write plane. Make sure you get both those consonants at the beginning. All right, pause the video if you're not finished yet. Good. A. N. Class, what do I have written right now? Good, right. Even though I said A while I was writing this, it can't say A yet. Remember, this can't say its name for no reason. So right now I have plan. All right, I've got to add that silent final E to make my A say A. All right, and then we mark that whole silent final E. Job one. All right, now we'll go to our O's page, which is 82 and 83. All right, in the word boat, class, which O did we use in boat? Right, we used O, the O of boat. All right, find O, the O of boat on this page. There it is. So your first free line in that column, go ahead and write boat. Say the sounds while you write them. Mark it at the end. All right, pause the video if you're not finished yet. Good. B. O. T. Boat. All right. Oh, now let's go back to our ERS page, which I believe is 74 and 75. All right, because in the word water, we have an Which do we use in water? All right, we use the of her. All right, but there's one other thing we have to remember, and that's which aw we use in water, class. Which aw is it? All right, excellent. We use a, ah, not our usual one. We use a, ah. All right, so your next free line, we're going to write it. Wait, what's the first syllable? Good, wa. And our second syllable? Good, ter. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class, tell me to write. What's the first syllable? Good, wa. And which ah? Good, a, ah. And good, our syllable break. What's our second syllable? Good, ter. And which do I use? Good, the of her. Marking it, remember we always start at the beginning. This gets a 3, and this gets an underline. Nice job if you remembered both of those markings. All right, well that is it for the back of our notebook class, so I'll actually stop this and make another video for the front and then one for the middle.